everyone is doing super awesome. I am here to talk about all sorts of immigration issues. I hope everyone is doing great. If you don't know me, I'm Josh Goldstein. I'm an immigration lawyer who really cares about you and helping you reach your immigration goals. I care about inspiring you and about sharing practical, no nonsense tips to help you reach your immigration goals. And right now, one of the things that's on my mind is the incredible problems that people are having in Mexico, especially at the U.S. Consulate in Ciudad, Juarez. I don't know what's going on. We filed so many lawsuits to help against the U.S. Consulate in Ciudad Juarez to challenge the delays that are happening. It doesn't ever get any better, but this is the situation that we're in. And I'm wondering what questions you have about all of this. I'm here to help you and answer any questions that you may have. So, with that in mind, let's get right into it. It says here, this is from Mohammed Hadidi3. Bro, if I have a 19-year age gap between me and my wife, do you think it will work or not? Okay, so if your wife is 19 and is a U.S. citizen and is 19 years older than you are, that is an obstacle to getting approved. This is not me judging you. I'm not judging you. I'm not saying, oh, I don't like this relationship. If it were my decision, I'd give you the green card right now. I'd give you the visa. But nevertheless, if you're going to persuade the consulate that your marriage is based on a relationship that's true and genuine, and you're nearly 20 years older than she is, that could be something where they could look at that and think, oh, I don't know about this. This doesn't look right. So I think that if you have children together, if you have spent a lot of time together, if you travel together, if you've met her family, if she's met your family, those are things that might help. Let's see. Here, Barbara Syed says, I want to know why my husband can't get his visa here because he had passed the background check. He passed the visa. He's not here yet. I don't know. Tell me more about what the obstacle is. Where is he? Why can't he come? Why can't he get the visa? Please let me know. M&H, have you heard that the I-730 receipt notices are invalid online because of security reasons and protection? No, I haven't heard that. It might be true. The fact that I haven't heard it doesn't mean it's false. Japanese by Chungking. Vicky, let me know what other questions you have. Marlene, welcome. Welcome, Marlene. What questions do you have? Here's someone says, I don't get no help from you. Well, how can I help you? What's going on? I'd love to help you out. Frank Blasters here. Juliana. Bhutpatni. Today is the holiday of Holi. Did I say that right? For my Indian friends and clients. Hope that's going. Ashley, if someone has a tax ID and they're not working, can they still file taxes? I'm not a tax expert, so I'm not sure. I'm not sure. Aref says, I amended the mandamus HP cases for my family. Is that good? What should I do? Allah Muhammad, welcome. Do you think that there will be movement in the next month in the visa bulletin for EB3? I hope so. I hope so. Jamaican girl, we've seen you back here. I see you. I hope you're doing great. Says, can I adjust my status in the U.S. pending an I-130 if I'm in status and a visa is available and I'm married to a permanent resident? Sounds good to me. Teneg Newton. Xmod, my K1 visa just got approved and I'll be having my interview next month. Can I be rejected in the interview? Well, just because you have an interview doesn't mean you're going to get approved. I hope you do get approved. And if you have questions about your interview, then let me know. Aref says, no response from you, sir, about my question. I don't know what your question is, so please post it again. Um, can a citizen father, let's see here. Can a citizen father file for a daughter who's 24 years old and who stayed in the US for 4 years? Well, you can apply for your daughter, but whether she could get a green card or not is another matter. Says here from Barbara, my husband passed the background check and he passed the interview. That's great. So why can't he get his visa? What's going on? Where is he in the process? Jade says, do I need an SSN to file for AOS? Do I need a social security number to file for adjustment of status? I'm not sure. I need more information about the context of your question. A ref, R-A-R. Let's see here. Um, hmm. Lamy, welcome back. Lamy says, Josh, many thanks to you and others like you. You've given us many information we aren't getting from our embassies. Those embassies, they are not in the customer service business. They're not there to help. It's really a bad situation. Sorry to yawn on my live. It says here, I passed the citizenship interview, but no decisions made. How long for a decision to be made? So, by law, they have to make a decision within 120 days of your interview for naturalization. If they don't make a decision within 120 days of your interview, you can go to court and you can file a lawsuit against them, and it works really well. And so, if you're stuck with your naturalization delayed, you should get in touch with me right away. So many good questions here. Mario Reed just emailed me. Tiffany, how long does it take to get an SSN work permit and advanced parole after filing a VAWA case? Well, first you need to be approved for VAWA, and then you need to, yeah. So there's a lot of steps ahead. Here's somebody from Gigi. What's the best way to bring my Spanish boyfriend of 5 years to the U.S. who previously lived here and worked on OPT? Well, are you going to get married? Are you going to file a fiance visa? Those are two choices that you might want to consider. My parents overstayed their visitor visa and I'm a citizen. Can I sponsor them? Yes, you can sponsor them, but it's going to be a challenge to get them approved because they, well, it may be a problem to get them approved. What other questions do you have? How can I correct an error on my I-45 form? Can I correct it with my interview? It's already scheduled. Yeah, go to your interview and explain your situation there. Why not? It's worth a shot. It is worth a shot, people. All right. Let's see here. Possibilities of getting a work permit with the tourist visa. I'm not sure about that. It says here, my wife came 3 months ago on a U.S. spouse visa. Still haven't gotten the green card. That's a problem. You need to figure that out. Get on the phone with them and call them. See what you can come up with. And if you can't, we can try to help you. Let's see. What other questions do you have? Is marriage faster than a K1? Not necessarily, no. It says here from George, my visa was rejected because I have 3 convictions and they asked for a waiver. Ah, it's frustrating. What questions do you have about that? Movada Osman applied for TPS, and it's been saying for 2 weeks now till the case decision for 4 months. That sucks. I'm sorry. Let's see. If I'm waiting, where can I apply for citizenship after being outside the US for more than a year? All right. Well, you have to move back and live here for a while before you can apply. You've got to reestablish residency. Does that make sense? Let me know. Let me know, people. The questions are coming fast and furious. Green card got approved 2 weeks earlier than my priority date. Is that okay? Yes, I suppose it is. Sanjay Badani, let's see here. Green card got approved. Earlier priority date is correct. Is that okay? Yeah, it's great. Let me know, folks. Says here, I got here in January on B1, B2 visa. And she's married and she's planning on having a baby. Is that okay? What do you guys think? There could be some sharp questions about why you never got married or anything like that. Immigration is ridiculous.